How to make him miss you badly. Sometimes, making a man miss you isn't about playing games. It's about creating moments he can't forget. It's about leaving a mark on his heart, even when you're not around. If you want to stay on his mind, stir his emotions, and make him long for you deeply. These 15 simple but powerful tips will help you make him miss you badly. 1. Pull back a little when he expects you to be all in. Don't always text first or say yes right away. Let him feel your absence and crave your attention. That little distance will drive him crazy thinking about you. He'll wonder what you're doing and who you're with. 2. Show him your best self every time. Look amazing, act confident, and keep your energy high. He'll remember how good it feels to be around you. Even when you're not there, that memory will hit hard. He'll miss the vibe you bring like no one else. 3. Be sweet, but unpredictable. Send a flirty message one day, then be quiet the next. Keep him guessing so he never feels too secure. That unpredictability creates longing. He'll start checking his phone just to hear from you. 4. Let him see that others admire you. Post a fun photo, share something exciting you did. Make sure he sees you living your best life. He'll feel a mix of pride and jealousy, and that will make him want you even more. 5. Leave a personal item with him. Something small like a bracelet, hoodie, or note. Every time he sees or smells it, he'll think of you. It's a constant, emotional reminder of your presence, and he'll want you back near him badly. 6. Make deep emotional connections. Talk about things that matter, your dreams, fears, thoughts. When he feels understood by you, he'll miss more than your looks. He'll miss your heart, your mind, your soul. That kind of bond is powerful and hard to replace. 7. End conversations first sometimes. Don't always wait for him to say goodbye. End with something sweet but brief. Leave him wanting more, not feeling fully satisfied. He'll replay your words and wish the convo lasted longer. 8. Be fully present when you're with him. Laugh. Make eye contact. Touch him lightly. Create memories that are hard to forget. The stronger the moment, the more he'll miss it, and he'll keep looking for that feeling again. 9. Talk about the future, but don't force it. Mention places you want to travel or things you want to do. Let him imagine you in his future naturally. When he sees you fitting in his plans, he'll miss you more, because he starts thinking of you long-term. 10. Surprise him and then disappear a little. Give him an unexpected compliment, gift, or text. Then take a step back and go silent for a bit. That emotional spike followed by quiet makes him crave more. He'll keep thinking about your sweet surprise. 11. Stay mysterious online. Don't post every detail of your life. Let him wonder where you are and what you're doing. Curiosity turns into obsession quickly. He'll keep checking for updates and miss your attention. 12. Create an inside joke or nickname. Something only the two of you share. Even when you're not around, he'll hear or see things that remind him. It becomes a private world only you two understand. He'll miss that special bond more than anything. 13. Be busy with your passions. Don't drop everything just for him. Show him that your world is full and vibrant. When he sees you thriving without him, he'll want in, and he'll miss being part of your amazing journey. 14. Don't chase him. Let him feel the loss when you pull back. Silence and absence are powerful. If he cares, he'll feel it deeply, and he'll start chasing you. 15. Leave him with a powerful goodbye. Next time you leave or say goodbye, say something that sticks. Look him in the eyes, smile, and say something meaningful. That moment will replay in his mind over and over, and he'll miss you badly every single time. Conclusion: you don't need to beg for attention to be missed. You just need to show your worth, keep a little mystery, and create moments he won't forget. Let your presence be powerful and your absence unforgettable. That's how you make him miss you badly.